Today, I'll show you how to create realistic AI object crushing videos that are getting millions of views across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Before we start, please subscribe for more viral videos. Simply type, "Give me 20 popular car brand name to make shredder crushing video." Hit enter, and it will generate 20 viral car ideas. You can choose one from the list. Now open the master prompt link in the description and copy the complete video prompt. Everything is already prepared. Next, open Google Flow AI. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now copy the object name you want to crush. I am choosing Ferrari. Replace the target object with that one you selected from ChatGPT. Now switch to the Video tab. Select the Omni Flash model and choose your preferred settings. And click Generate. In a short time, Google Flow will create a realistic industrial shredder video featuring your chosen object. Since the prompt stays the same, you can create endless variations by simply changing the object each time. That's all there is to it. Once you have the workflow set up, making new videos only takes a few minutes. Experiment with different objects and see which ones perform best with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI video creation tutorials and new viral content.